DEWALT electric drill 18 volts electric screwdriver brushless lithium rechargeable DCD 791. Description: DEWALT brushless motor which delivers up to 57% more runtime. Lithium-ion batteries with fuel gauge provide 33% more capacity. Compact, lightweight design for tight spaces. High-speed transmission with 2-speed settings. 3-mode LED lights with a spotlight mode. Features: DEWALT brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brush. Compact, 6.9, front to back, lightweight, 3.4 pounds, design fits into tight areas. Ergonomic comfort, grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. 3-mode LED provides lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than previous model. Lithium-ion batteries with fuel gauge provide 33% more capacity over standard packs. High-speed transmission with 2-speed settings, 0-550 over 0-2000 rpm. Metal 1/2 ratcheting chuck for superior bead gripping strength. LED spotlight mode features 20-minute shut-off function allowing for extended work time in dark.